Falcons in 5 sets. The Fighting Maroons ended the season with a 4-10 record. We have Coach Carlo Capatian, Tommy Castoles, Olayemi Yarin, Angelo Lagano, and Nan Nicolas. Coach, congratulations for this victory. You ended the season on a high note. So, overall, what can you say with the team's performance this season as a first-year head coach of the Fighting Maroons?
I'm very glad on how we finish. Throughout the journey, I am very happy on who they become as a person. In the process, there were ups and downs, but I'm really proud of who they become, and we're really happy that we get this team. Yeah.
Thank you, Tommy. 15 attacks, 1 block, 13 extra receptions, and 8 digs. So this is your first year here in UP Ascended. Tapos kalaban mo pa yung dati mga high school natin. So ano man sabi mo na yun nga, nanalo kayo at ito parang magandang carry over for next season. Tom, what can you say? Tom.
Ano lang, happy ko lang na... Happy lang ako na nakalaban ko sila. Yun lang.
Rahim, you had 13 attacks, 5 blocks, 1 service ace, and 7 digs. So, what can you say about your first season playing here for the Fighting Maroons? What can you say?
For me, it's quite a great experience, playing in a very different environment and then type of culture. Well, it shows me that talent is not enough. You have to, put in the hard work. So for next season, okay, we move.
Thank you. Chelo, you had 8 of 13 attacks. So, being one of the seniors ng team, I know na ang dami dinaanan itong program. So ano man sayo mo na ito, 4 wins kayo this season, and what we can look forward for sa next season para maging umangat ulit ang UP sa men's.
First of all, sobrang saya kasi naiangat namin yung team standing namin ngayong season compare last season. And masaya ako kasi nag-contribute lahat ng team and lahat ng teammates ko, and I think mas maganda siya na babaunin namin pagdating sa next season na alam ko na kaya magbigay ng lahat. Mapa first 6 months or yung second 6.
Thank you. Guldan, you had 6 of 11 attacks, 1 block, 1 service ace, and 3 digs. So this is your final UAP game. What can you say na, at least nga, sabi ni Chelo, umangat kayo sa standings today, and ito, maganda yung tapos sa season nyo. So, what can you say? At ano yung mga advice mo sa mga ito, tulad ni na Rahim, na Tommy, para umangat lalo pa ang adults sa coming season?
Siguro advice ko is huwag masatisfy kung anong meron sila. Kasi laging isi-show ng UAP kung hanggang saan ka lang. Patuloy lang na maging, sinabi last interview nila be teachable nila last. Kasi hindi mo alam lahat. Kailangan talaga ng guidance through Coach Carlo kasi lalo rookie yung mga karamihan. Tapos rookie ulit papasok next season. Ayun po.
Thank you, Dan. The floor is open for questions.
Okay, so for all the players lang, yung pagpasok nyo ng third set niya, parang sumabog yung energy niya bigla. So, ano yung napag-usapan niyo ba din sa atin before mag-start kaya na sustain yung momentum hanggang sa fifth set?
Ako, pagpasok namin ng, siyempre na doon kami ng 2 sets, first 2 sets. Pagpasok ng third set, sinabihan ko lang sila, sabi ko, isipin nyo na last game na natin to and enjoy nyo lang yung bawat punto sa ibibigay nyo. And domino effect naman po yun. Kapag nag-enjoy po kayo, parang maganda yung kalabasan ng team. And ayun naman po. And yun, maganda naman po yung pinag. And comeback naman po yung set 3 and 4. Kaya sobrang saya po.
Yun nga, factor na yun nating tulas na parang ganun, third set, either makukuha namin to o matatapos na. So binigay namin lahat, kung enjoy, kung aggressive kami sa loob ng court, paano namin handle yung emotion. Nagtulungan lang bawat isa wala nagpakita ng mga negative emotion or something else na pwedeng ika-backdown natin.
Coach ay na nung third and fourth set, dominant wins, pero nung fifth set, medyo na-test yung resiliency ng team. Ano na lang yung sinabi nyo sa dugout, ay sa huddle nyo, para at least ayun, makumpose yung boys and mapull off yung reverse sweep naman namin.
Every time naman, basta nag-fifth set, it's everybody's game. Hindi na siya nag-matter yung first 4 sets. So, pagdating ng fifth set, pumunta kami dun sa, ano ba yung baon namin? So, our consciousness, our system. The more we stick to it, the more that we can get the W. So, yun lang ginawa namin.
Tommy, ikaw yung isa sa mga nag-spark ng run ng UP nung fifth set. Ano na lang pumasok sa mindset mo during those times na yung Adamson mo mag-brief din ng dalawa, pero ikaw yung nag-spark ng comeback ng fifth set para na. Ano na naging mindset mo?
Yung mindset ko lang dun na every point na sasetan ako sa center goal, it's ma-stop ko talaga. Kasi intense na yung game eh, kailangan ko ma-stop sa finish line.
And to Dan, last game na this season for UAP career, up and down yung past seasons for UP men's volleyball, pero for you personally, ano talaga gusto mong maiwan na legacy kung baga sa UP and hindi dito, kina Tommy, kina Jedi na may iwan dito sa UP program?
Siguro gusto ko na iwan na huwag mawala ng hope for the team. Always trust your teammates kasi kayo talaga mag-atakan pababa. Ay, pataas. Sorry. Kayo mag-atakan pataas. Saka, yun nga, kailangan talaga encourage yung bawat isa. Every training, every buhat. Kasi doon mag-start kayo paano kayo. Sabay, para sa walang naiiwan, sabay-sabay ako. Daan lang talaga sa sipag, kapit. Mag-bibig may kapit. Pay to play.
Coach, napakit ka ni Angela kanina na may total win improvement compared to last season na dalawa kayo ng pag-win wins ng UP. Siguro ano na yung maging outlook ng UP in the next seasons na and slowly building towards bringing back UP into the final four and being one of the contenders?
Okay, ever since naalaman namin na like the season is done for us, ang ginawa namin mindset is ito yung magiging baseline for going to the next season. So, marami kaming tinry, marami kaming sinubukan, they're all trials. Kasi there's nothing to lose more to gain kung gagawin namin. Kaya kung may mga sinubukan man kami, ito na yung magiging baseline namin going to the next season. So, yun.
Coach, nagkaroon tayo ng konting calls about the teammates man and so on. What can you say about their performance kanina and back-to-back cases? Naka-score siya.
I mean, it was really a trial. Alam naman natin yan. But it paid off. So, ganito kasi yung volleyball. Gagamble ka, kung mag-paid off, okay. Kung hindi, hindi try ka ulit. So, masaya naman ako, at least nag-paid off. Yun.
Coach, aside kay Dan, may ibang mag-graduate sa
As far as I know, parang si Dan lang talaga yung magiging ineligible na for next season. So, pero sa mga gagraduate, depende sa SEMPE. Kung makakapasa, edi meron. Kung hindi, may next year.
Congratulations, Coach Carlo and the players. Enjoy!